Good morning students, welcome back. Today we will continue with lesson number 14, Algebraic Formulae, Expansion of Squares, Part 2. Practice set 50, question number 3 and question number 4.
Question number 3. Of which of the binomials given below is m square n square plus 14mn pq plus 49p square q square the expansion? Now there are 4 options given to you. Those are the binomials and this is the expansion we have to find for those binomials. Now if you look in the expansion, there is a coefficient and there are variables. Now if you see the first option, there are only variables, that is m, n, p and q. But if you see at the expansion, there are coefficient also. Coefficient means the number along with the alphabet. So the first option is wrong. See the second option. Again it is mn, pq. But there is no coefficient or any term like that which relates to this expansion. So the second option also incorrect. If you see the third option, it is 7mn plus pq. Here it is 7, but if you see in the expansion, there is no coefficient over here. So if there is no coefficient over here, so this option is also incorrect. Now we will go for the fourth option, that is mn plus 7pq, the whole square. Now according to our formula, a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here we will write mn the whole square plus 2 into mn into 7pq plus 7pq the whole square, which gives us the answer as m square n square plus 2 7s are 14 mn pq plus 7 7s are 49 p square q square. So did we got the expansion what we had in the question? So our fourth option, that is mn plus 7pq, is the correct binomial for the given option. So our answer is option 4, that is mn plus 7pq. Fourth question. Use an expansion formula to find the value. Now we have a number, that is 997 the whole square. Now using the expansion formula, we have to find the value for this number. Now we can write 997 as, that is 1000 minus 3 the whole square. If you subtract 3 from 1000, you get 997. Now we know the expansion formula as a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is our formula. So now we will substitute the number in the expansion formula, that a is 1000, b is 3 we are going to consider. So now that is 1000 minus 3 the whole square is equal to, a square means 1000 square minus 2 into 1000 into 3 plus 3 the whole square. Now this is 1000 means 60. When you square 1000, that means 30. So when you square, it becomes 60. Yes, that becomes 10 lakh minus 2 into 1000, 2000 into 3, that is 6000 plus 3 into 3, 9. So now you are going to subtract the 6000 from 10 lakhs. So you get 9 lakh 94,000 plus 9, which is equal to 9,94,009. So we got the answer, or you can say we got the value for the number 997. Okay, so our final answer is 997 the whole square is equal to 9,94,009. Second sum, we have to find the value for this number using expansion formula. 102 the whole square, which we can write as 100 plus 2 the whole square. Now we know the expansion formula, that is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now a is 100 and b is 2. We will consider. Now we will write 100 plus 2 the whole square is equal to a square. That means 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 2 plus 2 the whole square, which gives us, now there are 2 zeros. When you square it becomes 4 zeros. So you write 40 and this. So this becomes 10,000 plus 2 into 100, 200 into 4, that becomes 400 plus 2 2s are 4. Now when you add this 10,000 plus 400, that will give you 10,400 plus 4, which is 10,404. So our final answer for 102 the whole square, we got the value as 10,404. Third sum, 97 square, which we can write as 100 minus 3 the whole square. Now we know our formula as a minus b the whole square. Whenever there is a negative sign in the binomial, we have to use the negative sign formula, algebraic formula. That is, there is one a plus b the whole square and a minus b the whole square. But if here is a negative sign, here in the formula also we should have negative sign. In this way we have to find which formula we have to apply. So a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A we will consider as 100, b we will consider as 3. So 100 minus 3 the whole square is equal to 100 square minus 2 into 100 into 3 plus 3 the whole square. Now there are 2 zeros. When we square, it becomes 4 zeros. Yes, so this becomes 10,000 minus 2 into 100, 200 into 3, that is 600 plus 3 3s are 9. So now 10,000 minus 600, we get 9,400 plus 9. So our final answer will be 9,409. We will write our final answer, that what value we got for 97 square is 9,409. Now we will find the value for 1005 the whole square using the expansion formula. Now 1005 the whole square can also be written as 1000 plus 5 the whole square. We know the algebraic formula as a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now a we will consider as 1000 and b we will consider as 5. So we will write 1000 plus 5 the whole square is equal to 1000 the whole square plus 2 into 1000 into 5 plus 5 the whole square. Now there are 3 zeros. When you square, it becomes 6 zeros. Yes, and you put 1 over here plus 2 into 1000, 2000 into 5, that gives you 10,000. So you will write 1 0, 0, 0 and 0 plus 5 5s are 25. Now when you add this, you get 1010000 plus 25. So now we are going to add. That is, we get this value. So our final answer for 1005 the whole square is 10100025.